So how do you convert the HEIC, even multiple of them, to the JPEG on the iPad? So let me talk about some options which you have available and things you should know about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. First of all, I would go to the settings app and manage the camera situation, especially like on the iPhone, or depends on where you capture the photos. But the point is that you want to change the formats from the high efficiency to most compatible, because this just makes sure that your photos from now on will not be in the HEIC format, but instead they will be in the JPEG. So there are actually more ways how you can convert already existing photos into different formats, right? So you can technically have some online converters available, so you can literally just type into search the HEIC to JPEG, where you can upload the pictures even in bulk depending on the website and have it converted online and download it back to the iPad. One way to do it. Then we also have the converter apps, which you can get from the App Store. Like, there are going to be as well applications where you can upload your pictures, and those will be converted to the JPEG format. So that as well might be something that you can utilize on your iPad. But there is still the possibility to create a shortcut, because there is the Shortcuts app which we have available on the iPads and iPhones, right? And you can start a new shortcut where you're basically gonna set up the formats, right? So you're basically gonna click on the start, click on actions, and at first you're gonna select photo. So you will just like select the pictures from the gallery like that. And then the next action would be to convert the image and choose the JPEG format. And the next action would be to save it to the Photos album, right? So that would basically allow you to do it directly on the device using just the built-in Shortcuts app. So I believe that is actually the best solution, because it's like native and it would get the job done. So I would appreciate your feedback. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.